Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a focus on family law with sub-focuses on criminal law and injury work. If you have any questions or you want to see some interesting information about that, please, of course, subscribe to our channel. We have another question from the viewing audience. I'm going to read it as it's stated. What about if I do a home equity line of credit on the home? Does it retitle it? Or considered we paid it off while I'm married? I think the question means if I have a property and it's a marital home and I refinance it, does that change the title or somehow count as if it's paid off during the marriage? The question bespeaks a general misunderstanding of how these things work. The home equity loan has to do with an obligation. The question about title has to do with ownership. We should never confuse ownership and obligation. As far as whether or not it retitles it, I mean, you look after the closing and see in whose name the property's in, you'll know if it retitles it. It's not going to impact, though, distribution in the event of a divorce. The court is going to look at what's owed on it, and the court is going to say what's owed belongs to the bank, the rest is the equity that gets divided in the context of a divorce. If it turns out somebody pulled all the equity out so they wouldn't have to share it with their husband or wife in a subsequent divorce, the court's going to look at that to determine when was it done. If it was done 5 years before the divorce, the court is probably not going to think that that is overly significant. However, if it was done within a couple months in anticipation of the filing to strip the marital assets of a valued asset, then of course the court is going to be very concerned about that and will probably make some reconciliation so that it's fair to all parties. If you're in that situation, of course, give us a call today and we'll give you immediate assistance in that regard.